Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful hairstyles ideas that are trendy. And please, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to tell me your favorite hairstyle in the comment section below. So my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. To my new subscribers, I want to say you're welcome to the family. You're welcome. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful hairstyle from my natural hair girlies. This hairstyle, this is unique, this is beautiful, and if you're rocking your natural hair and you don't know what to do, this video is definitely for you. Please, I would love you to watch the video to the end. You will definitely find a beautiful hairstyle that you can rock with your natural hair. So my natural hair girlies, I would love you to watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.